I hope all of you doing well. So today our topic is malignant pleural mesothelioma. So let's start. Malignant pleural mesothelioma settlement explained in excellent way. So there are some points which discuss. So let's start. Malignant pleural mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer that primarily affects the lining of the lungs, known as the pleural pleura. So it is important. It is most commonly caused by exposure to asbestos, a mineral fiber used in various industries and products. Before its health risks were widely recognized due to the preventable nature of this disease. Individuals who have developed malignant pleural mesothelioma due to the asbestos exposure may be eligible for settlement. So settlement in case of malignant pleural mesothelioma typically arises from legal actions such as personal injury or a wrongful death lawsuit filed against asbestos manufacturers, employer, or other responsible parties. So these settlements are intended to provide compensation to victims and their families for the physical, emotional, and financial hardship resulting from the disease. So when it come to explaining malignant pleural mesothelioma settlement, several key factors come into play. So first is that liability to receive a settlement. The plaintiff the individual of their family members feeling the lawsuit so must establish that the defendant, the party being sued, had a duty to of care towards the plaintiff's breached that duty, and that breach resulted in the plaintiff asbestos export and subsequent mesothelioma diagnosis. This can involve proving a direct link between the defendant asbestos containing products or negligent actions and the plaintiff's disease. So damages settlements amounts take into account the damages suffered by the plaintiff. These damages may include medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, emotional distress, and loss of costumes for the victim's spouse or partner. The severity of the illness, its impact on the victim's quality of life, and the project features expenses so related to treatments and care are factors considered in determining the settlement amount. Legal process. The legal process for mesothelioma case can involve several stages such as filings, a complaint, discovery, so this depositions, negotiations, and possibly a trial. So settlement can occur at any stage of the legal process, with the majority of cases resolving through negotiations agreements. So rather than going to trial, settlements are often reached when both parties agree on an amount that is deemed fair and acceptable, consider the circumstances and the potential outcomes of further litigation. So trust funds, in some cases companies responsible for asbestos related injury, have established trust funds to compensation individuals affected by asbestos exposure. These funds are typically established through bank roped proceedings and are designed to ensure that victims can still receive compensation even if responsible companies are no longer